Alright guys, welcome back to another video. It's your man Jay. As you can see, that's the quality that you get for the Pixel 6. Now I bought this device knowing what I was getting into with no telephoto lens. This has the ultra wide lens and it has the digital zoom, but it does have a 50 megapixel just like the big brother Pixel 6 Pro. Now this device right here is really good on cameras. I think the one issue that I'm starting to see with the Pixel 6 devices is, and I blame it solely on that big sensor, is the sometimes I just don't want a portrait shot, and I can't get one. I can't just get a regular shot sometimes. It automatically goes to a portrait shot, and I know that I think I can probably go in and adjust after the fact, but sometimes I just want to shoot a photo and get really close to it without having that much portrait bokeh effect on it. So it's not a bad thing. It's just a little annoying that sometimes these cameras overproduce and you know me, I'm a portrait style type guy. I told you I love taking portrait shots. I think that's the best photos to take. But those are the videos. That's a sample for video and a sample for the photos. I didn't take a lot of photos because obviously portrait shots, this phone really shines. That's not a secret. It shines a lot in portrait shots. And it's just a matter of what type of photo you prefer. When I was comparing the Pixel 6 Pro against the against the iPhone 13 Pro Max, that was something that I wasn't looking for portrait shots. And a lot of times the Pixel 6 Pro would give me a portrait shot, and I was getting a little frustrated, but nonetheless, I was able to get that work done. Depending on when you're watching this, that video is probably not out, or it might be out. But this phone has fantastic cameras. They're fantastic. I have a skin on here from SophieGuard.com. If you want to grab a skin for your camera bar right there, or in the entire device, I've already put up videos on that. You go to SophieGuard.com and you'll be able to skin your device and totally transform it if that's what you desire. So cameras on here on the rear are really solid. The front camera is really good too. The front camera shoots great video, man. I mean, it does stellar video just like the rear camera. However, it is an 8 megapixel camera, but still, you know, it's really good. It's still a wide field of view. It's a good feature. Now, features that I'm not going over, like this video is about the quality of the photos and videos, but it does have those features like a magic eraser and things like that, and you can do panel shot. Something people hardly ever test is panorama shot. At least I don't. I don't test panorama shot, but you know, it's just something that, you know, I just don't take panel shots. At least not here at my house. If I'm in an open field or a beach or a lake or something, then yeah, sunrise, sunset. That's when a panel shot is the most important to me, but not in my backyard. But it can do it. The videos on here can go 4K 60, and obviously, you know, you can do 1080p 60. I think the quality is good. Is it after using this, because I've had this for more than 2 weeks now, and I'm just not giving you that video on the cameras. I don't think I did a dedicated camera review on this phone. I'm sure I didn't. I looked through my feed and I was like, I don't think I did one. But nonetheless, you know, this phone has great video cameras and it takes great photos. Google has mastered the art of taking still shots. But it's weird because, you know, I used to love all the portrait effects, but it does it kind of just with any photo now. So having to fix that after the fact, I kind of don't want to do. I don't feel like messing with that. So, but overall, these cameras are still some top-notch cameras. I think Google takes the best still shot photos. Video on here is fantastic, man. I mean, I kid you not, it's really, really good. Wait till you see the comparison with the iPhone 13 Pro Max. This phone will get placed against the iPhone 13. Since they're the lower versions of their big brothers, but whatever the case may be, this is a great flagship device, and it's offering a lot of bang for buck. These cameras are punching way above their weight class, and I think you shouldn't have any problem with getting good video, good photos, just good everything when it comes to the cameras out of here. I haven't had any kind of heating issues. Sometimes people ask me questions about, did you have this? What do you think about this? I'm going to address things that are happening to my device, just like that. I don't want to focus too much on things that are not happening to me, because then I can't give you a real world experience with it. You know what I mean? But right now, I'm not having any heating issues, meaning the camera's not cutting off while I'm recording 4K 60 or anything like that, or 1080p. I'm just not having any problems with the cameras on here. So for now, these cameras are legit to me. I think the quality is good. It's not something that's new from Google, but you know, with all cameras with with good setting of light, you're going to get some fantastic footage, and this phone is no exception. So a quick look at the cameras on the Pixel 6. If you're enjoying the Pixel 6, hit those links down below. Best Buy at the recording of this video has it for $499 with activation and $550 without. So we're in that. Today is the 18th at the recording of this video. Yeah, today is Thursday the 18th of 2021 in November. So Google started their Black Friday event today. So, you know, I guess I've been putting this video on at the right time. So if you're looking for a Pixel 6 or a Pixel 6 Pro, the Pixel 6 is on sale at Best Buy right now. And Google has a bunch of things on sale on their website too. But this phone right here, you can get it for $500 now if you activate it through Best Buy. It's unlocked. You just have to pick a carrier and unlock it, I believe. And if you don't want to go to a carrier for an unlock or activate it with a carrier, it's just $549. You still get $50 off. So that's a fantastic deal. You're looking for some stellar cameras. We already know Google's cameras are great. And that's just what it is. It's your man Jay. Hope you guys enjoyed a quick look at the cameras on here, and I'll see you in the next one. Take care.